Hi everyone, so I'm Laverne Segundo. Isa po akong IMG Financial Educator and at the same time registered Associate Financial Planner po ako with the Registered Financial Planner of the Philippines. Tapos ito po yung contact number ko and Facebook. Then ito po yung office address po namin, no. So for today, ito po yung i-discuss ko, yung National Health Shield for HMO for government employees. Di ba po kung government employee po kayo, I'm sure meron po kayong 7K medical allowance. And then, ito po yung ino-offer po namin sa Kaiser. Meron po siya, ito yung eligibility ng age. Age 18 years old to 65 years old. And then, pre-existing conditions covered po siya. So, i-breakdown po natin yung mga benepisyo. Yan, meron po siyang, ang nire-require po ang nire-require po sa inyo is dapat meron po siyang 5 points healthcare plan benefit. Una is preventive care. Pangalawa, inpatient. At the same time, pangatlo, outpatient, emergency care, tsaka dental care. And through NHS, meron din po tayong financial care assistance na bonus. 10K po marireceive ng family in case the plan holder dies ng natural death, sakit. Tapos, if in case naman po the plan holder dies na accident po yung cause ng death, 20K po yung marireceive ng family po. Yan. So, ngayon, if you're interested naman, you can fill up this survey form, no? Para ma-check po namin. And then, you declare kung ano po yung name of agency, address, number of employees. So, naglagay naman po tayo dyan. Tapos, if may questions po kayo, you can contact me or si Christine, wife ko. Yan, ito po yung mga number po namin. WhatsApp, Viber, ready po siya. And then, yan. Tapos, ito po yung important notes, no? Members eligibility. Principal member dapat po age 18 to 65 years old. Pangalawa po, must be an employee of the said government agency. Tapos, ito po yung pinaka-important note. Must enroll at least 80% of the total employee of that government agency or group. Let's say, for example po, 100 yung total population ng agency nyo. So, dapat po at least 80% nun, at least 80, yung mag-a-avail. Or mas maganda, 100% para pasok po tayo dito sa pointer C na importanteng notes. Assuming na pasok na po tayo dito sa members eligibility, especially yung letter C. So, ito na po yung para mag-proceed po tayo further sa application. Number one, send hard copy of all documents to our office and e-form before billing. All documents po must be printed on long bond paper. Then number one, kailangan po natin ng master list. In Excel format po siya ha. Employees or members must include full name and birth date, age, job positions, and email address. Number 2 po, proposal. One original copy with assigned conforme. Tapos, number 3, Memorandum of Agreement, MOA. 3 original copies, fully signed by an authorized representative. Number 4, specific attachment requirements. Provide 3 original copies. Example po natin dyan is board resolution or secretary certificate na notarized. And HR certificate or employee population. Yan po yung mga requirements po natin. Yan. Tapos po dito sa website po namin, naka-breakdown na po yung mga coverage, tapos yung mga eligible. Ang maganda po kasi dito, 'di ba? Kapag ginagamit po natin yung 7K na medical allowance natin to avail HMO, so the following year, may re-renew po tayo, mabibigyan ulit tayo ng allowance. Whereas kung wala po tayong maipapakita na resibo na we avail yung HMO na medical allowance, so might be wala na po tayong marireceive succeeding years. So at least po ginagamit po natin siya ng tama yung binigay po ng gobyerno na medical allowance sa atin. Ayan po siya. Yan. So, ito yung mga breakdown dito. You can visit our website if may mga questions kayo or you want a Zoom, no? To schedule po. And nandito rin po yung mga clients po natin. Yan. So, if you have questions, concerns about this one, let us know para mag-guide po namin kayo. So, ito po yung mga contact details po namin ni Christine, wife ko po. And again, I'm Lovern Segundo from IMG. If you have questions, let me know. Thank you.